In this video we will learn how to learn the trigonometric tables most easily. So in most teachers try to derive this trigonometric table, but there is no need to derive this trigonometric table. You just have to remember this. No one will ask the proof for trigonometric tables. So the trick is that you have to learn only the values for sine and rest you can find yourself. So sine 0 is equal to 0, sine of 0 degree is equal to 0. Sine of 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Sine of 45 degree is equal to root 2 upon 2 or 1 upon root 2. Sine 45 equal to root 2 upon 2 or 1 upon under root 2. This can also be simplified to 1 upon under root 2. Sine 60 equal to 3 upon root 3 upon 2. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2 and sine 90 is equal to 1. So sine theta increases from 0 to 1. Sine theta increases from 0 to 1 for 0 degree to 90 degree. Now if you have to write for cos theta, then just write it from right to left. So this will be 1, this will be root 3 by 2. Just write from here to here, then root 2 by 2. Sine 45 and cos 45 are same. Then 1 by 2, then 0. So just write from, for sine we have written from here to here, and for cos values they are from 1 root 3 by 2, root 2 by 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So these are the thing. Now tan theta is equal to sine upon cos. So for tan just divide sine by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 equal to 1 upon root 3. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 equal to 1 upon root 3. Root 2 by 2 upon root 2 by 2 equal to 1. Root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 equal to root 3. And 1 upon 0 is infinity or not defined. Infinity or not defined. Either we can write it as infinity or not defined, because 1 upon 0 is not defined. So this is how we derive tan theta. Now for cosec, cosec is equal to 1 upon sine. This we have studied previously also. Cosec is equal to 1 upon sine. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon sine theta. Sec theta is equal to, do you remember sec theta? Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. And tan theta is equal to, try to remember, tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. So it can be any angle, this theta can be any angle, A, B, C, whatever. So cosec is 1 upon sine, so 1 upon 0 is not defined or infinity. 1 upon 1 by 2 is equal to 2. 1 upon under root 2 is equal to under root 2. 1 upon root 3 by 2 equal to 2 upon root 3. And 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Now sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos. So 1 upon 1 is 1. 1 upon root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And 1 upon root 2 is root 2. 1 upon 1 by 2 is 2. And 1 upon 0 is not defined. So just cosec theta works from, the values we write from here to here, and for sec theta just write these values from here to here in this way. So first write 1, then write 2 upon root 3, write root 2, then 2, then not defined. So sec, sine and cos and cosec and sec follow same thing. Now cot is 1 upon tan. So 1 upon 0 is not defined. 1 upon root 3 is root 3. 1 upon 1 is 1. 1 upon root 3 is 1 upon root 3. And 1 upon infinity is 0. 1 upon infinity is 0. So tan cot 90 is 0. So just we revise. So for sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 upon 2, sine 45 is root 2 upon 2 or 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 and sine 90 is 1. So you just have to remember these 5 values, and rest of the angles you can find, you can calculate yourself using this trick. So first, just for cos, just write these values. For sine you values from write from here to here, the cos values you write from here to here. So 1, then root 3 by 2, then root 2 by 2, then 1 by 2, then 0. And tan theta, just divide sine and cos. So 0 by 1 is 0, 1 upon 2 is upon root 3 by 2 is 1 upon root 3, then 1, then root 3, then infinity, or not defined, because 1 upon 0 is infinity. Then for cosec, just do 1 upon sine. So not defined, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. Then for sec, just 1 upon cos, or write the values of cosec in opposite way. So 1, 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2, not defined. And for cot, do 1 upon tan, or write the values of tan in other way. So not defined, root 3, 1, 1 upon root 3 and 0. So this is how we can learn the trigonometric table very easily. There is no need to remember all these values, and there is no need to derive these values. Just run these 5 values for sine, and rest you can follow find by using the trick. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt you can comment in the comment box.